Hey YouTube, EMP's BloodNet60 here, and I got bored, and I just recently got this. But not only that, I got this. Aha, I got two of them. Mostly because Christy is in here. And that's the update for Saw, that's the update for Black, that's the update for everything. Okay, let's open this thing. First I need my knife. Wait, that ain't a knife. Now this is a knife. I had it. It was on the other day. I felt like doing the joke. Deal with it. God, I'm magic. Look at how magic I am. Let's look at this. What's an XYZ monster? I don't know. Oh, that looks like an XYZ monster. Hey, Zen. Actually, it doesn't look too bad as a secret. So there's Zen, there's Parashol, there's Christia, there's Gaia, and Troll, lol, 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 lol. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad as a super. Kind of like that little gold streak in there. It actually sticks out kind of nice. I guess it isn't really gold. It's stuff that was on Pot of Benevolence in the first place. Okay. Now that we know the fun stuff that we did get, let's look at the crap that we will get. Let's see. Let's start out with the pack that hates me. Since I pulled Trishula, it hates me. Yeah, it's showing right now because it won't open. Kudabe. Ooh. Hey, a Birdman. That's nice. Other than that, pretty much nothing. I guess Birdman ain't too bad. Birdman! I don't know what is up with the Hidden Arsenal reprints, but they look so weird reprinted. I don't know. It might just be me, but I'm pretty sure they just all look like that. And we got a General of the Ice Barrier that I've never seen before. A Defender, and a bunch of Ice Barrier stuff. Well, let's see. So let's see. I forget what was useful out of Storm of Ragnarok. Well, honestly, I don't think anything was. Let's see. Nope. Well, that's new. I didn't pull him before. I got a secret, though. So, yay. You didn't even get a good rare, I don't think. No, just shame Daredevil. Yeah. I start dozing off there at the camera, it's because it's strapped to my foot. I'd show you, but once again, it's strapped to my foot. So, I'll apologize in advance. Foolish Return. That's it. Oh wait, it's cash, eh? Could always use that. I think I only got 2 in Katakuri. In my Ultimo deck. And Extreme Victory. Let's pull another secret. Let's pull a specific secret. Let's pull the expensive card. Nope. Wait. Lancer Dragoon. Huh. You pulled the super. Teehee. Alright, I got 1 tin left. Super knife. Yeah. Decapitation. Dismemberment. Decap a member. By the way, I love how they advertise this. 5 packs, 4 foiled cards, and Pot of Duality. I added the Gur part. Because the Gur part sounds funnier. What is an XYZ monster? I still have no idea. It's a fusion. Wait, no, I know what an XYZ monster is. It's a fusion, isn't it? It's a fusion, and you take it with VW, and you make VW XYZ. Okay, I know. And there's everybody again. Woo! Another one! Yay! I'm such a boss. I'm pulling Pot of Dualities. Okay. Start with Storm between 2 lasers, take them all out. And another Foolish Return. Who replica? Nope. Let's see what else we're getting. Open, damn you. What more? And well, play a set of him now, even though his arc's dead. Let's see here. Ooh, let's go for the boss pull. Boss. Hey. Probably ain't gonna get none. No, but I got Sheehan's advisor, so I did get a super out of it, at least. Let's say that. I bet he gets super out of this one. Oh, God. I don't even know what's any use out of Trishula's Triumph anymore besides Trishula. Eh. Well, let's try Arm. So, what was he? The Wind, Water, Dark one. So now I got the other half. And the last one is nothing. I say Soyoka. That's what I say when I sink Trishula. Alright, get this thing off my foot. Oh, that's better. That kinda hurt. Well, bleh tins, but the real point of the tin was that. And that, and maybe that. So, that was tin openings, even though I hate doing these things, but I think I'm finally going to get on top of doing this. Brand new trade binder, full of good stuff. I have to do a video on it pretty soon. I'm still kind of organizing it. I just got this recently. So, that was the tin opening for Wind Up Zenmaister. Might do another one when I get some Leviath Dragon ones. I'll have a play set of those. So, that was the opening. Later.